Welcome back. Today, I'm reclaiming old rotors from scrap parts to build a functional electric generator. Stay with me to see how we breathe new life into these discarded components and turn them into a source of power. First, I'm dismantling this old rotor. I'll be using its shaft and core as a base to efficiently convert mechanical energy into electricity. Next, I'm attaching small magnets around the shaft. This creates a rotating magnetic field, which is essential for inducing an electric current in the coils. Next, I'm dismantling a larger rotor. This serves as the primary magnetic field generator, which is crucial for determining the overall power output of the device. Next, I'm using a wooden base and mounting a large magnet onto it. This establishes a strong stationary magnetic field, working with the rotating shaft to optimize the electromagnetic induction. Then, I'll mount the large rotor directly above the magnet. This setup creates a precise magnetic gap, maximizing induction efficiency once the generator starts spinning. Next, I'm going to DIY 2 pulleys. These will serve as the core drive system, transmitting the rotational force from the motor to the rotor to ensure a steady power output. Next, I'm using this motor to turn the generator into a self-sustaining system. By connecting the motor back to the generator, I'm aiming to create a power loop that keeps the device running continuously. I'm using a multimeter to check the resistance and continuity. This step is crucial to ensure there are no short circuits in the coils before I begin wiring everything together. Next, I'm wiring an outlet to the device as the power output. The goal is to channel the generated energy to electrical appliances, turning this DIY generator into a functional power source. Finally, following all our fabrication efforts, I invite you to join me as we activate and witness the device's operational capabilities in a real-world setting. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.